Ladies and gentlemen, it is a cracking, what are we, still morning? Yep, we're still morning. We're over here in the competitors arena on the other field at the Kangaroo Valley Craft Beer and Barbecue Festival. And I'm talking to Jack from Quetamundra. Now, mate, that's a great name. Are you actually from Quetamundra?
A few of the other boys from the team are. Myself personally, no, but everybody else grew up there, and that's where the name came from.
Very nice, very nice. And so, is this your first Kangaroo Valley Craft Beer and Barbecue Festival?
As a competitor, yes. We've come down for 5 years now, though. The first one as a competitor.
Interesting. So you were a punter. You were on the other field enjoying the beer and the barbecue and decided I'm going to get over there on the other side.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Beautiful. And what was it that made you decide to do that?
Just a bit more of a interesting weekend. Just get out there and try something different.
Beautiful, beautiful. So tell me, what's your barbecue weapon of choice here this weekend?
BBQ. It's got to be drum smoker. We've got one over there, one there with the table on them. They're just one of the best bits of kit.
That is one thing that I have noticed. That there are lots of different types of barbecues here this weekend. What is it that makes those drum smokers so good?
They're consistent. The second you put the charcoal in there, it's good until you're done. You can set and forget pretty much. You just set it up and it'll run until it's out of charcoal.
Very nice. What are we talking here? 4 hours?
Full basket, you'll probably get 12, 13 hours out of it.
12, 13 hours. So you could really just nail a brisket in that time then?
Yep, that's exactly right.
Beautiful. Now, you've just done the chicken hand in. Pork ribs are coming up next. How did you feel about your chicken?
Yeah, it looked really good. We'll see how it goes at the end of the day, but we're confident.
Nice. And your pork ribs, how you feeling about them?
Yeah, they look all right as well. Nothing groundbreaking, but they look all right.
All right. So you're not giving anything away to me at this stage?
Potentially not.
All right. Okay. So the other categories then are open pork and brisket. What do you guys decided to do for your open pork?
It's a good question. I'm not sure.
Okay. You're not the open pork guy. All right. Pulled pork. There we go.
Yep, pulled pork.
All right. So you're obviously not the pulled pork guy. Then what is, of those four categories, which one's yours?
I do brisket. Yeah, brisket's what I cook.
So tell me about that then. Do you separate the flat from the point? How do you go about it?
Tried a bit of a different way this year. It's the first time I have separated them, but yeah, they're separated for this cook. See how it goes.
Interesting. Now, I have heard of the turn and burn. Are you a fan of that one, given that you're on drum smokers?
Not overly, no.
Not a fan of the burn then. All right. Well, look, I'm going to let you go now because you've got to start getting ready for the pork rib hand in. Thanks very much for your time and best of luck with the rest of the competition.
Thanks, mate. Take it easy.